Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm thrilled to share with you my favorite shrimp recipe, Gambas al Ajillo. For those who might not know, Gambas al Ajillo is a delicious Spanish dish famous for its simplicity and rich flavors, and it's a must-try for seafood lovers. Let's start with the shrimp. I prepare a 5% salty water solution, which is great for a quicker defrost. Not only does it maintain the fresh taste, but it also helps in killing bacteria and is my secret to ensuring the shrimp don't have any fishy smell. If you have fresh shrimp, that's even better. This salty water trick works wonders in enhancing their taste as well. While the shrimp are defrosting, I slice a handful of garlic cloves. Fresh garlic is key to the flavor here. Once the shrimp are defrosted, I snip off just the sharp tips of their heads. This is a crucial step to ensure that no one gets poked while savoring the dish. It's about keeping all the flavor while ensuring a pleasant eating experience. Then comes the peeling. Gently remove the shells. I love how this part gets us hands-on with our food, connecting us more with the cooking process. A little tip here. If you can easily pull out the tails, you know the shrimp are really fresh. Now, for the divining. I use a toothpick for precision. It's a simple yet effective tool. Slide the toothpick gently along the back of the shrimp to pull out the vein. It's a crucial step to ensure our shrimp are clean and ready for the delicious transformation awaiting them. Now, we move on to the cooking part, which is where all the magic happens. I start by arranging the shrimp in the pan. It's important to spread them out evenly. This ensures each shrimp gets cooked perfectly and absorbs the flavors uniformly. Once the shrimp are nicely laid out, I carefully distribute the sliced garlic over them. This layering technique allows the garlic to infuse its flavor directly into the shrimp. With our shrimp and garlic in place, it's time to add the oil. I pour in just enough to cover the shrimp. This method of cooking in oil not only gives the shrimp a sumptuous texture, but also melds the flavors beautifully, and then crank up the heat to medium-high, setting the stage for those flavors to come alive and meld together. This cooking process is quite quick, so it's crucial to keep an eye on the pan. Before the shrimp turns completely red, I add a pinch of salt and some chopped green onions. Doing this a bit earlier allows the salt to season the shrimp evenly. As soon as the shrimp are completely red, I quickly turn off the heat and plate them. And there you have it, my favorite Gambas al Ajillo, ready to be enjoyed. It's a simple yet flavorful dish that's sure to impress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.